In this video, I'm going to walk through the member journey and workflow in the Talent Stacker Salesforce Org to move a member through the steps from joined to job landed. So here we have the contact record for Corey Adams. He's just joined the program with the premium membership, and you can see that he has paid for the LinkedIn review and the mock interview, which are part of the premium membership, but those have not yet been scheduled. So when he starts from just joining the program, he'll want to do the initial onboarding steps. As the Salesforce user, you'll want to input his sign-up date. And then once he's joined the Talent Stacker Facebook group, you can check that box there. And you'll want to record his Trailblazer profile link. And click Save. Once those initial details are captured, his member path automatically updates to LinkedIn Setup. In this stage, Corey will have the opportunity to update his own LinkedIn profile using the Talent Stacker criteria that he's given in the modules. We can confirm within 2 weeks of joining the program that he has completed this setup by checking this box here. We'll also confirm his LinkedIn profile and input that information here if it hasn't been captured as part of his lead generation and conversion. Now that Corey is in the program, he's updated his LinkedIn, he's ready to join a study group and work towards his first certification. Study groups are tracked under the member record in the Study Groups tab. A study group manager of this org can come in and add Corey to a study group. So we can add him to any of the study group records. I'll select Spring 2023 Admin Study Group 2. And he's just starting at the study group, so his status will be attending. Once Corey has started attending the study group and studying for his admin certification, we can update his progress once he gets to the end of it. So when his study group is completed, we'll go into the study group record and change this from attending to completed. We can now return to Corey's member record, and we see that the path has automatically been updated, that he has joined the study group and completed the study group, and he's now been automatically updated to the certified stage. Now that he's gone through the study group and he's ready to take the certification exam, we'll want to verify his email that he used to register for the exam, so we can then verify his certification using the Trailhead website, which you can click on directly from the member record to verify. Once that's been verified, we can check the box to say that we've verified his certification. And now he's ready to join a volunteer project and get some real-world hands-on experience. This will be controlled by the Volunteer Project Manager under the Volunteer Projects tab. So we can add Corey to a volunteer project that is listed and fill out some other details later on as he's going through the project. So now that he's joined the volunteer project, we can track his progress in the record for the project. We can input his commitment score throughout the project. And if we want to include any details on a review of how he did in the project and any experience he'd want to put on his resume, that can be input as well. We'll give him a positive review for this project as well. When we return back to the member record, we can see that these fields have also been automatically populated after he was assigned the project, received a good review, he's completed it with a 100% commitment score, and automatically been moved to the next stage, which is the mock interview and LinkedIn review session. These features are part of the premium membership, which Corey registered for, and they're controlled under the records here for mock interview and LinkedIn review session. We can see that these have been automatically added in. These are automatically generated when he registers for the premium membership as opposed to just the basic membership. We can update the status of where he's at with his LinkedIn review by saying that it has been scheduled. We can input this when it is scheduled for. And then once it's completed, we can input a URL to save the video recording of his mock interview. We'll also change the stage from new to completed once it's completed. So now that he's completed his mock interview, he's also going to complete his LinkedIn review at this stage. We can update these records on the LinkedIn review object so that once it's completed, change this from new to completed. We can also include the video link here as well for that. Returning to his record, he is now in the final stage of the program and he's ready to start interviewing for some real Salesforce jobs. This is controlled under the Interviews tab, where we can go into the interview object and add in an interview. So let's say he's interviewing for a Salesforce administrator role with Tech Cloud Consulting. We can input any interview feedback he receives, and then let's say he lands this job. We'll update this record here to say that he's landed that job. And once we return to his record, we can update the stage manually to job landed. And we can celebrate that Corey landed his very first Salesforce job. Thanks for watching.